Hello friends, Running Kimono. So we have a very hot glitch over at Walgreens, and I'm just going to jump right into this and explain this glitch. And how long a glitch lasts is totally unknown, but it is working, and I did the deal a couple of times. I have a friend in Lansing who's been texting me, and just now, 10:30 in the morning, it's still working, and she's in Michigan as well. So how I would suggest it is to buy the most cheapest item. And typically, I'm always buying these little candies or newspapers to see if a store booster will print, but something else is printing those $5 store register rewards. So just to jog through this deal, grabbing one of the caramels found at checkout is 39 cents. You'll pay that with coins. You can't use Walgreens cash for 39 cents. So 39 cents, pay that with 40 cents out of your wallet. Or your change purse, however you do it, and you're going to get back a $5 store register reward, so it makes it a $4.61 moneymaker. Now, with a glitch, it is unknown when this is going to end. The last time this happened, last year with the Oscar Mayer, it was like buy two, get a $5 Oscar Mayer register reward, or the Oscar Mayer parent company was awarding them. It lasted for a couple hours, and then the cashiers were instructed to just take away the register reward and not give it to the customers, and it was running for like 2 or 3 hours. This register reward also prints once per transaction, and again, use like money to pay the balance down. This is how Dawn's Deal explained it on her Instagram. So this is what I'm going with, and this is what worked for me. And the register rewards are once per transaction. Babysit the comments also, guys, because whenever this is going to end, it is unknown and up in the air. So if you're reading the comments and seeing how other people are doing it, take a gamble, buy one candy and see what happens. It's 40 cents, or don't do the deal at all. Good luck and get on this right away. Okay, there is a major snowstorm in Michigan, especially the north part of Michigan, and I know New England is also getting hammered. So if your roads look anything like my roads, it is totally okay to pass on this. Like, it's always nice to have a little glitch here and there, but if you're driving in this and getting into an accident or white knuckle driving, if you are from the north, you know precisely what I'm talking about. It's just not fun times on the road. And I think I saw an accident where a van was on its roof. So it did like a 360 and ended up on the roof. Some seriously dangerous driving. I grew up in Canada, so this sort of driving doesn't really scare me. But I just don't think this deal is good enough if you're in this sort of a climate, because it's really dangerous. Just be really careful out there, especially if you're on the East Coast, New England, or, snow belts of like Buffalo, Michigan. Just be careful, guys. While you're in the store, I saw that the freebie guy posted this, where all of the clearance razors and deodorants for the last couple of months have hit 90% off. Now, unfortunately, somebody had a pretty good sense of humor and cleaned out the entire store, so there was really nothing left. But these are the secret deodorants. We have some Old Spice there. And if you have, say, a $2 coupon off the secret, you'd have to buy $2 worth of deodorant to get the coupon to work, the digital coupon. The Neutrogena, this is a men's face balm for 68 cents. So yes, I did buy a couple of these. And the $5 was printing, and I just paid that out of pocket with cash. How lovely is that? And this is the tag, so 90% off. And honestly, Neutrogena is one of these products that sometimes shows up on IBOTTA, so perhaps I might get an IBOTTA rebate in the future, so I'm going to hang on to my receipt. I have up to a week, so hopefully they post something for me. And just to show you guys what the box looks like, it's the Neutrogena Men Triple Protect Face Lotion. So even in the dead of winter, dry skin, that sort of thing, this must be really cooling to the skin for the men out there, especially men with beards. They need to take care of their skin. This is the UPC if you want to check. Even if things are not tagged, I would check absolutely everything. Bring it to the front cash and ask the cashier really nicely for price checks, and they should be able to help you out and tell you if it's clearance, yay or nay. So razors and deodorant, that specific aisle, and also cereal and candy. A lot of stores that as well, but since I'm Little Miss Diet and that's all I talk about, I didn't pick up any of that. Now, I did one very quick deal while I was in the store. If you might be so lucky to have a 5 back when you spend 20, I had one in one store account. And then when I got to the store, I was hoping that if I bought a candy or a newspaper, something cheap, that the paper booster would print out. And I I did a bunch of little transactions and nothing printed out for me. So I just was using this guy on its own. But with that $5 store register reward, it was still a pretty good deal. So the Tide this week are $5.24. Look at the price there, $7.49. Holy moly. $6 register reward when you buy 4 of these small guys. If you watch my video from earlier in the week about prices of P&G products that are going to be increasing, and the laundry care aisle, like that's what they're angling at. So what I did for this deal, guys, was I grabbed 4 of the Tides. I had a $3 register reward, I think, from Colgate last week. I had 2 of them, so that's what I used as my coupon, because there are no coupons for this, and the inserts I get never have Tide, so I'm kind of out of luck there. But 4 of them, that's what I grabbed for my basket, and just to be stupid, I grabbed one of every different, like, scent. I grabbed a whole bunch of different ones. So 4 of them is $20.96. I had that booster loaded to my store card. I presented 2 $3 register reward, so $6 came off. And if it's a manufacturer register reward, yes, you can use more than one, just to note that. So $14.96, I used my debit card to pay that down. I got back a $6 register reward from Tide, a $5 store register reward from the Glitch, plus $5 of Walgreens cash for my booster. So I used 2 $3 register rewards and got some Tide for like next to nothing. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess everything up. Now, just to show you, the top one is for the P&G deal. The bottom one is the little Glitch register reward. So guys, I would go out, buy 1 caramel, type in your store card, and then see what happens. Pay the 40 cents. If it prints, great. If it doesn't, see what your store says, Sue. Maybe they'll start pulling those register rewards after a certain time. But sometimes it usually lasts a good couple of hours, and sometimes it's pulled really quickly depending on your store. If your store register reward machine is also off or out of paper, one will not print for you. So do this at your discretion. If 40 cents is way too much to lose, I would say to pass on it. But if you are about, taking a gamble, read through the comments, and when this is dead, I will pin it in the comments and let you guys know. But definitely do it or don't do it. It is at your discretion. Now, with this little 5 off 2 for the Tampax, get a $5 store register reward. I'm just going to put a pin on this deal. I wanted to do it, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. I saw that the Dollar Digital for Tampax arrived. It was to buy 3 of these Tampax products, get back a $5 store register reward, but only one would print. So I'm like, I'm going to wait till tomorrow in case something really goofy happens, so I have all week to do this, and this coupon doesn't expire till the end of the month. And I got this coupon from one of my deliveries. I ordered something from Walgreens.com, and I got back a $5 back when you buy 2 Tampax products. Very generous coupon. I have more free toothpaste this week with the following digital coupons, and I would recommend that you load both of these, including a 4 off a 2. I think the deal this week is to buy 2 for $8, subtracting this, and then you get back $4 of Walgreens cash or register reward. So load this one at the very least. It's some free toothpaste. Along with, we have a 6 off of 4, and I think my other one was like a 5 off of 3 or something. So there's a whole bunch of really high value monthly Crest coupons. Go and load all of them, and we will make some deals in the future happen. Get out and make some deals happen, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.